Hello and welcome to today's question. We have that x plus 9 squared is equal to 49 and we're to find the value of x. So at this point you can pause the video and find the value of x and let me know in the comments, or you can follow along as I solve. And make sure to stick to the end because we're going to prove that our value of x is the correct answer. Solution. So we have x plus 9 all squared is equal to 49. We're going to solve this question using two methods. So let us start with the first method. Okay, so now we have x plus 9 all squared equals 49. Now x plus 9 squared is in the form of a plus b all squared, which is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. In this case, our a is x and our b is 9. So now what we have now becomes x squared plus 9 squared plus 2 times x times 9, all equal to 49. So we have x squared plus 2 times 9 will give us 18x plus 9 squared will give us 81 equals 49. So we can move 49 over to the left hand side, and it turns from positive 49 to minus 49. So we have x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 49 is equal to 0. So now we have x squared plus 18x plus, now 11 from 9 will give us 2, and so we have 7 from 4 will give us 3 equals 0. Okay, so now what two numbers can we multiply that will give us 32, and when we add it up we'll get 18? So 32 is the same thing as 16 times 2, and if we add 16 and 2 we'll get 18. So 16 and 2. So now we have x squared plus 16x plus 2x plus 32 equals 0. So now let us work with them in pairs, right? So from this first one we can factor out x, and so we have x plus 16 plus, from this one we can factor out 2, so we have x plus 16 as well equals 0. So now we have two equations. We have x plus 16 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. Now, therefore, we have that our x is equal to minus 16, and also x2 is now minus 2. These are the answers to to our x. So let us try our second method. So for the second method, we have our question to be x plus 9 all squared equals 49. So we can write straight away, just supply square roots to both sides. And so we have x plus 9 all squared equals square root of 49. And these two can cancel out the square roots, and so we have x plus 9 is equal to square root of 49 is 7. So we have plus or minus 7. So now we have x plus 9 equals 7, and we have x plus 9 equals minus 7. And then this is equal to 7 minus 9, and this is equal to minus 7 minus 9. So if the 9 moves over here, becomes minus. 9 moves over there, becomes minus. So our first x, our x1 is 7 minus 9 will give us minus 2. And our x2 is minus 7 minus 9 will give us minus 16. So that's exactly what we got using the first method, minus 2 and minus 16. Now, we need to verify our values of x just to make sure that they are correct. So if we plug in our x values into our question, we're trying to prove that after simplifying the left-hand side, whatever value we get is also going to be equal to the value we have on the right-hand side. So if we start with x being minus 2, so we plug in minus 2 into the question, and then we see that minus 2 plus 9 will give us 7 all squared. And we see that 7 squared is 49. And then what we have on the right hand side is also 49. Means that our left hand side is now equal to our right hand side. Therefore, our value of x, which is minus 2, is correct. So let us try for x equals minus 16. So we plug in x plus 9 all squared equals 49. If we plug in minus 16 plus 9 all squared, are we going to get 49? So minus 16 plus 9 will give us minus 7. Okay. So 7 squared is 49. Minus squared, which is minus times minus, will give us positive. Okay. So 49 on the left hand side and also positive 49 on the right hand side. So therefore, our left hand side is equal to right hand side, meaning that our value of x, which is minus 16, is also correct. So our x is minus 2 and minus 16. These are the correct answers to the question. So if you've learned something new today, make sure that you like this video, share this video, let me know what you have to say in the comment section, and also if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.